said it's easy, it was never easy. Made it out the greedy.
I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. Before we get into the video, make sure to go down top, link in the description below, and cop Collection 1 Hypebeast. In today's video, we have an unboxing from the Kanye West shop, so let's get into what I got. So it came in this box. If you haven't heard the new Kanye West albums, yes, albums, 3 or 4 albums every week for like a month. Merch from one of the albums, which was the Ye album. I hate being bipolar, it's awesome, that album. So let's take a look at what I got. I opened it up. I already took it out because I had to take a picture, you know, for Instagram and all that. Here's a piece. I got the one like Ye was wearing, so here it is right here. You got the Wyoming. It took like 3 to 4 weeks to get here. Pricing on these, this was crazy. You know, Kanye made like $500,000 in like 30 minutes on just this, on just these clothes right here. So here it is right here. You got the Wyoming right here. It is printed on a gilded t-shirt. So, you know, quality is not there, but you know, he did overprice a lot for these shirts. That is for sure. You know, I think these were like 70, 80 bucks. I'm not sure how much it was. I think he took this picture himself right on the front. The screen print is actually really nice quality. It's very thick. Even the t-shirt feels really nice. On the right sleeve, you got Jackson Hole, where he did the live event at for the album. On the back, you got Kanye West album listening, May 31st, 2018 in that green font. I really like this t-shirt. I did post a pic on my Instagram, so make sure to go like it. My Instagram is benmantra_, and I'm going to post another pic in this on my Instagram, so definitely stay tuned for that. I really do like this t-shirt, you know, for the price. You know, he could have went down a little bit, but you know, it's Ye, Kanye merch, so you know, he always prices up on these. It took 3 to 4 weeks to get here, and yeah, I really do like this piece. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. You know, it's a different color. I really don't have this color in my wardrobe, so you have to diverse your wardrobe. And then LeBron went to the Lakers, so you know, it's only right to get this t-shirt, the I Feel Like Kobe Kanye one. Had to cop this one. This was brand new, had to cop it. Very nice t-shirt. You got the I Feel Like Kobe on the front. It is a long sleeve. I don't know what's up with Kanye and long sleeves, but here it is. Back you got the greatest of all time, Mamba Day 4/13/16, Kobe Bryant. All that on the back. Really like this t-shirt. I'm definitely be wearing this a lot. Make sure to go on my Instagram, benmantra_. I will be posting a pic in this as well. So make sure to go for my Instagram. There's a lot of fire content there. I try to post once a week. So yeah, I got this t-shirt when LeBron went to the Lakers. And then I got this t-shirt because of the Wyoming merch. This is just a sick tee. And Astroworld came out, so I'm probably gonna cop something from Astroworld, the merchandise from Astroworld. So definitely stay tuned for that. 3 to 4 weeks to get here. I don't know what I'm copying yet. I want to get the tie-dye shirt, but it hasn't released yet. He's releasing new stuff every 24 hours for like days. So yeah, these are the 2 pieces I copped. I am back, you know, back on YouTube. I am trying to post quality content over quantity. So definitely stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting like at least once a week. So make sure to go cop Hypebeast Collection 1. Link in the top of the description. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. And remember, always create.
Never said it's easy, it was never easy. Made it out the greedy.